Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So DJ Khaled took a secret trip to Jamaica, and guess who he's in Jamaica with? None other than the Gargamel himself.
God is great. God is great.
Jamaica,
we
Jamaica,
here.
Khalid.
We here. Landing safely. God is great. Aside, where my son at? Where my son at? Hey, boy. Aside, what do you want to tell the whole world? Yes, boy. Jamaica, we here. We here. I'm home. Jamaica, we here, baby. Jamaica, we here, baby. We in Kingston right now. I ain't been here in 12 years. I just started flying again about 2 years. We in Kingston right now. I got some other things in the works while I'm out here. At the same time, we should be embracing our blessings and giving thanks to God. Jamaica, we here. Sharon Burke, what's up? He can walk.
Buju Banton. And if you guys didn't know, DJ Khaled is back in Jamaica after 12 years. The American DJ record producer just touched down rocking a Buju Banton sweater for his top secret trip, and Khaled's fear of flying kept him grounded for over a decade. The music mogul started traveling by plane 2 years ago after the birth of his son Ashad. And as you guys know, Ashad is the big man. Okay, Ashad is involved in everything that DJ Khaled is involved in, and he's always saying father of Ashad. So he's a very proud father, and you have to give the fathers props for staying in their kids' life. So big up to him for that. But DJ Khaled and Buju Banton is seen in the studio, and they seem to be working on something. And DJ Khaled said, Buju Banton official said, Khalid, today is my first day back in the studio. I said, what a special day. Jah works, bless up to Rasta family thing. And if you guys didn't know, Khalid come from very, very humble roots. This is the man that used to beg people to DJ on their sound system and walk around with a bunch of CD and beg people to listen to his music. So he comes from humble roots, and he has always keep connected to Jamaica and Jamaican culture. And Khalid is connected to Bounty Killer, as you guys know, and we'll talk about him later. And Dalton Harris, stay tuned for that one. And he's also connected to Mavado. So I can't wait to hear what music DJ Khaled and Buju Banton is producing, because as you guys know, anything that Khalid puts his hands on, he turns them into bangers. Okay, bangers, and you have to give him props for that.
As Buju Banton's freedom continues to garner attention around the globe, one of the latest international music icons to publicly celebrate the return of the Gargamel is DJ Khaled.
We the best music.
Accompanied by his wife and son, the hip-hop star arrived in Jamaica this afternoon.
Son, say hi. Say hi to Jamaica. Give me a pound. Give me a pound. Good boy.
With the Gargamel all over his shirt.
Welcome home. Welcome home. God bless.
But had only this to say to us at the Norman Manley International Airport after disembarking his private jet.
You know, it's my guy right here, you know what I'm saying? When he come to Miami, he come see me. When I'm in Jamaica, I always see him. I ain't been in Jamaica in a while. Kingston, I'm here. I'm home.
Good, man.
I'm home. Yeah. I'm home. You know, it's Miami, Kingston. You know how we do it. Nothing but love. Jamaica. Everybody, my son came with me, my queen. You know what I'm saying? We here.
Say hi, Sad Wave.
Assad, what do you want to tell the whole world? Yes, boy.
Eating chips.
Father of Assad in Kingston, in Jamaica. We here, baby. We here. Buju, welcome home. That's my brother. That's my brother.
I know that.
Oh, that's my brother. You know what I'm saying? Welcome home. Welcome home. God bless. We talk soon. We talk soon.
So the next topic we're going to be talking about is Dalton Harris. And as you guys know, Dalton Harris is doing his damn thing. Okay, he is #1 on iTunes with the song that he won the X Factor with. And as you guys can see, Bounty Killer had a lot to say at a recent party he went to. So let's get into that clip.
People can't talk like it was facts. Who offended if we keep that anyway? Them start giving like a highlight and they think they're nice and bright and voting and Jamaica jumping. Then when me look, I represent for you because you are a fellow Jamaican. You out in the world should be represented for us as fellow Jamaican.
Right.
Jamaican don't hold certain moral and values and attitude. For that, no gratitude. I withdraw my support. No man no miss it down, no man no.
So as you can hear, Bounty Killer talking about the whole controversial picture with Dalton Harris sitting in his competitor's lap, and I already made a whole video saying that that boy was actually using Dalton. He was trying to manipulate Jamaican people and use Dalton as a scapegoat so Jamaican people wouldn't support him. But that's neither here nor there. I don't understand what's the big deal with someone's sexuality. Like, why are Jamaican men so concerned about somebody else's sexuality? That shouldn't be none of their business. And people are saying woman beater and fathers with homosexual sons should not have anything to say about another man's sexuality because their lack of presence in their son's life caused their son to become what he is also. So, you know, have no authority to preach about moral authority at all. So Dalton didn't stop there, but Dalton had to clap back, and Dalton showed his song on iTunes in the UK being #1 for weeks now. And Dalton said that's what you're supposed to go talk about when you go dance. Real bad mind. So they say Bounty Killer bad mind, and quite honestly, depending on who you ask, they will say so. But that's neither here nor there. Big up to Bounty. Big up to Dalton. They're both doing their things. You gotta give props where props is due. So, and then the next thing we want about is Tifa. Tifa almost broke our neck. Okay? Tifa, you need to be very careful, hon. Very careful. Not everybody can manage you. Tifa was performing for the soldiers. Tifa Capleton and a bunch of bugger artists performed for the JDF soldiers in Jamaica. And Tifa was performing and run on one of the soldiers and she nearly almost popped her neck. I swear I felt like she lost her neck, like she was going to be in critical condition. But check out the clip and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.